We tested 5 AI agent frameworks on 322 benchmark runs. Here's what we found. LangChain is 3 times faster than OpenAI's own framework. Concerning costs, see this. CrewAI is 3 times more expensive than AutoGen. But how did we discover these shocking differences? Let me show you our testing methodology. First, we tested structured output capabilities, a critical requirement that separates production-ready frameworks from toys. Each framework processed identical investment analysis tasks using GPT 4.1 Nano. 322 total runs ensure statistical significance. The results are dramatic. LangChain dominates, while OpenAI struggles. For production systems, this difference is massive. This speed difference directly impacts user experience and costs. Here's what matters for your budget. AutoGen costs just 25 cents per 1,000 runs. CrewAI costs 60 cents, more than double AutoGen's price. AutoGen is cheapest at 25 cents, while others range from 27 to 38 cents. At scale, 100,000 runs, the difference becomes significant. AutoGen costs $25 versus CrewAI's $60. Save $35 on every 100K runs. If cost matters, choose AutoGen. Average token usage reveals significant differences between frameworks. Each framework shows prompt tokens in green and completion tokens in purple. AutoGen leads with the lowest token consumption, while CrewAI uses the most. AutoGen emerges as the clear winner with the most efficient token usage. And if we scale this up to 1,000 runs, the differences become even more dramatic. Here's the projected token consumption for 1,000 runs across all frameworks. Let me show you what we're actually benchmarking, a stock analysis workflow using Warren Buffett's investment principles. The process starts with a stock ticker input, like AAPL for Apple. We call the Yahoo Finance API to get the stock data. We combine Warren Buffett's principles with the stock data for analysis. This creates a structured analysis output. Here's an example of the structured output we generate. The analysis returns a comprehensive JSON structure with ratings, reasoning, and key performance indicators. This structured format enables consistent output that can be used by any other service or API. The decision matrix visualizes the trade-off between cost and execution time. Here are the 5 frameworks plotted by cost and execution time. The optimal zone combines speed and cost efficiency. LangChain dominates with the fastest execution time. While AutoGen offers the lowest cost per run, choose based on your priority. Speed or cost optimization. Let's recap the key takeaways from our benchmark analysis. For speed-critical applications, choose LangChain. For cost optimization, go with AutoGen. For low-code solutions, choose CrewAI. For getting started quickly, use OpenAI Agents. Want to explore more? Here are your resources. For live benchmarks and detailed comparisons, see links in the description. Benchmark data and code are in the GitHub repo below. Check out my website for interactive benchmark stats and detailed comparisons. What's next? Which framework should we test next? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please consider to give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.